How to add pictures to a TikTok video. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your TikTok account. At the bottom, you'll find different options. Tap on this plus icon given at the bottom middle. Open that. With that, your camera will open up. Now over here, you'll find different timer options. Along with that, you will find the option of photo and text. Set it to photo. Now by tapping on this white icon, you can just click the photo and upload to your TikTok. This way you will be able to add picture to your TikTok video. Likewise, another way is you can tap on this option of upload. With that, your gallery will open up. Now from here, you can easily select the pictures that you want to upload in your TikTok video. If you want to select multiple pictures, you can check in for this option, select multiple. Now you are able to select multiple pictures to upload in your TikTok video. After you select the pictures, tap on next. Now at the right corner, you'll find different options. From here, you can easily edit your TikTok video. And after you do that, tap on the option of next. Over here, you will get different options. From here, you can customize it and then you can tap on the option of post to upload your TikTok video, or also you can save it in your draft. For now, I will be saving this video in the draft. So this is how you can add picture to your TikTok video. This was very simple and quick process. I hope now you guys are clear about how to add pictures to a TikTok video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.